Right, we're going to talk about input. Now, we've read input before using a scanner in class, and to do that I write scanner. I have to import it. Easiest way is to press Control space and pick java.util.scanner, and I will call it new scanner and system.in. This is a magical formula that we learned and used, and that's fine. But now I can read integers. So next int. I can read other things like a double. sc.next double. And I can read a string. sc.next. And if I read a string, it's just next. It's not next, it's string. And I'll display what I've read. So x is x, and that's a G and an S, and a G and an S. Right. So if we run this, we can type in the console. Now, I should have had a prompt, but let's type 23 for the integer and 3.141 for the double. And now Java gives an exception. I've never seen this before, and maybe something has changed, or maybe I've just been really stupid. But if you do get this input mismatch exception when you type a double like this, it's probably not recognizing the full stop as a decimal separator. So one easy way to fix that is to say sc.use local, and then you have to type local with a capital L .us, and that should work. Save, run. Now I can type 23, 3.141, and Yahoo. And that's fine. And this is how I would do it if I had to write a Java program from scratch. But we can do the same thing with the standard lib library. So I'm going to make a new class that I'll call rhythm2. I'm going to do exactly the same thing, except I'm going to use standard in. And for standard in, I don't have to open it up like I did the scanner. I can just type int x is standard in dot, and this time it's not called next int, but read int. And it's not called next double, it's called read double. And string s is standard in dot read, and this time it's called read string. So this is definitely different from the previous version, and I'll just copy paste my previous code to display the values. Okay, let's run 23, 3.141, Yahoo, and there we go. And of course we can also use standard out to display the values. Also part of the standard lib.jar. So hover, import from Princeton. There we go. And that is going to be over there and over there. And this should work exactly the same. Let's see. 23, 3.141, Yahoo. And there we go.